Today, let's learn the way that you can manage your Discord server. The Discord storage management primarily involves clearing out the caches that are locally stored. So the most that you can do inside of Discord in terms of managing your storage is clearing out the caches that it has downloaded. If you're using a mobile phone and using the Discord app, you can tap and hold the app of Discord and head over to app info. And from this section, you can tap on clear data and tap on clear cache. If you're using an iPhone, you'll need to head over to the iPhone storage and then offload the application. Now, this is the most that you can do inside of Discord. There's no other sections inside of Discord where you can manually delete files or have a storage inside of the Discord account. So that's all there is in managing your Discord storage. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up.